So after using ChatGPT Atlas for less than a day, I wanted to share my first impressions. For those of you who don't know what Atlas is, it's a new browser developed by OpenAI. And what makes it different is that it integrates ChatGPT directly into your browsing experience. You can think of it like Chrome or Safari, but it is with an AI agent that can actually do things for you while you browse, while you watch. So when I tested it, the agent wasn't just giving me suggestions, it was doing the job itself. So, for example, I could ask it to browse a website, look up a product, or let's say even try to make a purchase. It handled those basic browsing tasks quite well. It could, for example, find pages, click links, and bring back useful information to me, all while I just watched in real time, see what the agent is doing. But when I moved to more complex tasks, like email management, for example, the results were mixed. The agent could search my inbox and find specific emails accurately. But when I asked it to draft or proofread messages, the quality dropped a bit compared to, let's say, tools like Fixer AI. Atlas drafts weren't as clear or accurate. And when I gave it follow up instructions like rewrite this in more professional tone, for example, it often rewrote the wrong message or misunderstood the context entirely. Still, I'm very optimistic. This is the first release, and we all know how fast OpenAI improves its tools. You can already see the potential for how powerful this could become once the agent gets better at understanding complex tasks. But what I'm really curious about now is how AI browsers like Atlas will navigate web restrictions. And what I mean by this, some websites are already blocking automated agents using tools like Cloudflare or reCAPTCHA, which could make it harder for Atlas or other AI browsers to function fully. A possible solution I was thinking of it could be to include, let's say, for example, an authenticated mode, like a user authenticated mode, where you can approve each action the agent takes, but it takes time, and I don't know how that can be implemented. But that way, the system can prove that there is a real person supervising, not just a bot doing the job and it blocks it. So if AI companies work in transparency with major security providers like Cloudflare, Recapture, something, I think Atlas could become a major shift in how we browse the internet because we all trust ChatGPT. And like we have a browser now made by ChatGPT, it's going to be a huge thing. And like AI browsers are where the agent doesn't just guide you, it actually gets the job done for you, right?